Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe at your home. I am Bhupati from the Department of Commerce in Bharat Dasna Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now I am going to teach 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter number 2, Accounts of Not-for-Profit Organizations. What is meant by non-profit organizations? Some of the organizations are established for the purpose of rendering service to the public without profit motive. They are promoted for the purpose of promoting art, culture, sports, education in the society. So that these are the organizations are called non-profit organization. Now we will work out the exercise number 4, page number 72. From the following informations, we are going to prepare a receipts and payments account of Mailadurai Recreation Club for the year ended 31/3/2019. This is the format of receipts and payment accounts. All the receipts, incomes earned by the organizations comes under the debit side in the heading of receipts. On the other hand, we are going to credit side. All the payments are incurred by the organizations which will be appeared in the credit side. Okay, we will apply the values given in the problems one by one. First, we go to the debit side. First one is the to balance brought down. It is nothing but opening balance cash in the hands of the company and bank balance in the organizations. So we will see one by one. We will apply the value into the solutions. First one, to balance brought down. See that opening balance of cash. What is the value of opening cash balance? The value is 15,000 rupees. So write 15,000. See the next one, opening balance of bank balance. What is the value? The value is 25,000 rupees. So write 25,000. The next receipt is donation received. See the books. What is the value of donation received? The value is 48,000. Right? 48,000. See the next receipt, sale of old equipment. The value of the sale of old equipment is 26,000. So write 26,000. See the next receipt, the annual day collection. See the value of annual day collection. The value is 18,000 rupees. So write 18,000 rupees. See the next receipt, the receipt of charity show. See the value of charity show is 4,000 rupees. So write 4,000 rupees. See the last receipt to the sale of investments. What is the value of sale of investment? The value is 12,000 rupees. Right? 12,000 rupees. With this value, the receipt sides are over. Then we move on to which side? We move on to the payment side. Dilly Ganesh, what are the items will be appeared in the credit side? Correct. The expenses made by the organizations will be appeared in the credit side under the heads of payment. Okay, we will see one by one. First one is the rent. What is that? Rent paid or received? Is the rent paid because it comes under the payment side. So this is a rent paid. What is the value of rent paid? The value is 1,000 rupees. So write 1,000 rupees. See the next payment, refreshment charges. What is the value of refreshment charges? The value is 13,000 rupees. Right? 13,000 rupees. See the next expenses, construction of tennis court. What is the value of construction of tennis court? The value is 7,000 rupees. So write 7,000 rupees. See the next payment, salary of watchman. See the value of salary of watchman is 12,000 rupees. So write 12,000 rupees. See the next expenses, club annual day expenses. What is the value of club annual day expenses? The value is 15,000 rupees. So write 15,000 rupees. See the next expenses. The lighting charges. See the value. The value of lighting charges is 16,500. So write 16,500. See the next expenses. Entertainment expenses. What is the value of entertainment expenses? The value is 13,500 rupees. So write 13,500. See the next expenses. Billiards table purchase. What is the value of billiards table purchase? The value is 5,000 rupees. Right? 5,000 rupees. See the next expenses. Expenses of charity. What is the value of charity? The value is 3,000 rupees. So write 3,000 rupees. See the last one. Buy balance, carry down cash. What is that? Dinesh, what is this? Correct. This is the closing balance of cash in the hands of the organization. So buy balance, carry down cash means closing balance of cash in the hands of the company at the end of the financial year. That means 31st March 2019. What is the value? The value is 12,000 rupees. So write 12,000 rupees. Okay, sir. We apply all the amounts given in the problems in the receipts and payment account, sir. Then what should do, sir? See on which side show a higher amount. Mansoor, on which side shows a higher amount? Correct. The receipt sides show a higher amount than payment side. In business organizations, the receipts are more than the payment side, because the difference between receipts and payment is profits. So that in this problem, the receipts are more than the payment column. So that we will calculate the total value of receipt side. Add the value 0, 0 and 0. Hundreds are over, then move on to thousand side. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 8, 32, 32 plus 4, 36, 36 plus 2, 38. So write 8,000 under the column and write 3 under the 1. Now we calculate 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. So write 14. The value is 1,48,000 rupees. Though total value of receipts earned by the organization is 1,48,000 rupees. Then Tamil children, what should do? Correct. Then we write the same amount of the receipts on the total column of the payment side. So write 1,48,000 rupees. We did that. Then we have to deduct the total value of receipt side and minus the payment column. What is the value of payment side? We add together 500 plus 500, 1000. So add 1 year. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, 28 plus 5, 33, 33 plus 3, 36, 36 plus 2, 38. So the value is write 0, 0, 0, 38, 3, 8, remaining 3. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the total value is 98,000 rupees. The total value of payment side is 98,000 rupees. Then what should do? We have to deduct 98,000 from 1,48,000 rupees. So write 1,48,000 rupees. From 1,48,000 we have to deduct 98,000 rupees. So deduct 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Hundreds are over. Then we move on to the thousand side. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 9 is not possible. So we borrow 1 from here. 14. 14 minus 9. What's that? 5. Then we finally got 50,000 rupees. This is the answer for closing value of bank. So write under the closing balance of cash, under that write bank. Bank value is 50,000 rupees. So this is the answer. Finally we got closing balance of bank balance is 50,000 rupees. By following the same method, you have to prepare a remaining sums in the chapter. Okay. For your further reference, I attach PowerPoint presentation, study material, question bank, self-assessment test in the description. Use it. Dear parents, help your children to do their work. Thank you.